major in broadcast journalism. Beyond the field of journalism, he is also a celebrated songwriter, music arranger, and producer whose artistry has inspired many. Currently, he serves as the director of Net25 Music and is also a respected board member of the Eagle Broadcasting Corporation.
Please give a warm round of applause to Mr. Ernie Magtuto.
Jaw na buntag surugay nun. Tama.
Surigao nun.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.
Good morning!
At I am very honored na maimbitahan po at magbigay ng kaunting sabihin natin lecture or mga paalala hinggil sa topic natin ngayon. Sandali. Nagmamadali siya. Ayan. Okay. That's helping the children balance the impact and influence of social media and other media in their lives. Okay. We live in a very difficult but interesting times. Ano po? Napaka-swerte po nating lahat, and I think we are very lucky enough to have witnessed the technology, how it evolves faster than we would ever thought of. Hindi po ba? Ako po ay isang baby boomer, a proud baby boomer, born 1946. Yung mga baby boomers po, pinanganak noong 1946 hanggang 1964. Sino po ang mga pinanganak ng kanyang taon? Taas po ang kamay. Yes! Proud baby boomers! Okay, yan. Tayo po, napakaswerte natin because na-witness natin kung paano gano'ng kabilis mag-evolve ang technology. Naka-experience po tayo na makapagpatugtog at makinig ng musika sa mga phonographs, sa vinyl records, di po ba? Na-experience din natin yung cassette player, and then naka-experience din tayo ng CD player, and then after that, may minidisc, may MP3 player, and right now, yung music pinapakinggan na po natin sa ating mga smartphones at sa mga gadgets, sa ating mga tablets. So that's just in a span of 50 years. Ganun po kabilis. Kaya yung mga anak po natin at yung mga apo natin siguro hindi na nila alam kung ano yung phonograph, ano yung cassette, ano yung CD, hindi na po nila alam yan. So, meron po akong tatlong millennial na anak. I have 3 millennial daughters and 1 Gen Z and 5 Gen Alpha grandkids. So, yan na po yung mga susunod na henerasyon. And very exciting po kung iisipin natin ano na kaya ang mangyayari sa future nila. Our kids or maybe our grandkids will be the ones to experience the turn of the century. So, what is their future? What lies ahead? Ano na po kaya yung kanilang poproblemahin? Hindi ba yung pinoproblema rin natin ngayon? Hindi natin alam. So, going back to the topic po, helping the children balance the impact and influence of social media and other media in their lives. Pag sinabi po natin media,